David took the throne, he said this: I want to find the Ark of the Covenant. I will not allow my eyes to rest. I can't close my eyelids and give myself sleep until I know the Ark of the Covenant has been found and we've gone and recaptured it. But listen to what he says about Saul. Listen to this indictment. He said the entire time Saul was in power, he did not inquire of the glory. Let that set in just a minute. If anybody needed help, it was Saul. But the entire time he was in power, he was asking no questions about the glory. If anybody needed deliverance, it was King Saul. But the entire time he was in power, David said he did not ask the question. He did not inquire. Oh, listen to me. I don't mean to come here tonight and be bold in such a way that offends anybody. But I want to tell you, there's a lot going on in this world today. And somebody better be asking the main question. And the main question is, where is the glory of God? And can the church host his glory and bring peace to this world? Lift your hands and praise him just a moment here. David said, nobody's asking the question. My Lord, I feel the Holy Ghost in this house. When I see the eruptions in our city streets, somebody needs to be asking the question. When I see what's going on to the point that churches had to shut down and our way of life came to a dead halt for 3 or 4 months, somebody needs to be asking the question. When I see such corruption running rampant in the streets and in our political arenas, somebody needs to be asking the question. When I see pastors and men of the cloth and ministers that can't take it anymore, so they take their own lives through suicide, somebody needs to be asking the question, where is the glory of God?